what niche can actually make you money fast. If you're tired of trying and not earning, today I'll show you the 3 best online niches that can start generating income in just 90 days. Hey, welcome, my name is Smart Gabriel, and here, tech meets income the right way. Let's unlock the smartest niches for 2025. Niche 1, AI and automation tools. People are searching for how to use ChatGPT, Suno, Midjourney, and Claude AI every day. What you can do: create tutorials, reviews, or comparison content. Use affiliate links for AI tools. Sell AI prompt templates or automation setups. Why it works: exploding demand, high-paying programs, low competition in non-English regions. To digital products and faceless content, think eBooks, Notion templates, digital planners, or art made with Midjourney. Digital products sell 24/7. Pair this with faceless content like TikToks, Reels, or Pinterest pins and link your product. Bonus tip: use Pictory or Canva AI to make content daily. 3 online skills plus education. Online learning is a 300B market. If you know tech, finance, or productivity, turn it into income by teaching what you know. Create short guides or mini courses. Use Gumroad, Teachable, or YouTube memberships. Use ChatGPT to help script and structure content fast. Focus for 90 days. Post weekly. We'll be shocked what consistent action can do. I'm Gabriel, helping you turn tech into income. Subscribe for more tools, tutorials, and income ideas every single week.